Hey teasers, is Joseline demonic or not? Let's get into it. Okay, teasers. Joseline Hernandez, also known as the Puerto Rican Princess, most recent arrest footage has surfaced. TMZ has posted the footage, and child, when I tell you she is looking and acting like a straight demon, the police body cam footage shows Joseline fighting, kicking, and screaming to the top of her damn lungs towards the police. Her rant also consisted of racist slurs as well. Take a look at this clip of the arrest, and y'all tell me they didn't need a priest or exorcism for this child. Shit. Let's go.
Hey, my man, you gotta come out. Let's have touch me. I don't want no white man.
No one's gonna touch you.
Shut up, bitch. You shut up, bitch.
Now guys, I found a pic of Joseline from several years ago where she looked a bit smaller, healthier, and possibly sober. However, the look she has now is a bit more masculine, crazed, with that I don't give a damn attitude. Do y'all see how cocky she is now? I'm not hating on her or anything for trying to stay fit, but child, don't y'all see? Think it's a little bit too drastic, rather manly looking? Who knows, maybe she's included something in her diet that's making her act this way. What do y'all think? Anyway, Joseline is very lucky because she could have caused several more cases. The police really was leaning on her because again, she was kicking and cursing them the hell out. Now, if you recall, recently Joseline claimed to be sober and clean of her any egregious substances, but honey, we can't tell. At this point, it's obvious that Joseline needs some medical help. She needs some medical attention. I can't see anything positive coming out of this or her at this point. Let's try to keep Joseline in our prayers, guys, that she overcomes whatever demons that may be trying to possess her. Thanks, guys, for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Until the next time, bye.